ang gagaspang na kamay nila. I am not worthy to shake those hands. Yung ginagawa nyo, di ko pa kayang gawin. Yung magaspang na kamay, that's a badge of honor, hindi kinahihiya. Kung hindi po dahil sa mga Dagaramitas, matagal na tayong lubo.
Show the world you are not just OFW, you are OF winners.
Minsan ika'y nangarap na maabot ang ulap, kung saan ang sikat ng buhay ay kay liwanag.
Marangal na trabaho yan. Hindi ka nandadaya. Ba't mo kinahihiya?
Ang hindi usapan dito yung posisyon sa trabaho, ang usapan dito yung dignity at respect na binibigay mo sa trabaho.
Ngayong hapon ito, marami kaming natutunan kung paano lumaban sa buhay.
Talagang yung binigyan niya ng pag-asa, malaking pag-asa, buhay, pangarap na pwedeng matupad.
Ang lookout ko ngayon, kahit na matanda na ako, for advancement pa rin ang aking natutuhan ko sa kanya ngayon.
Boss, pag na-discover mo na yung talent mo, yun yung purpose mo, work on it, shape it, practice it, excel in it, improve it.
Make yourself productive. Serve in church. Serve in the community. Make yourself useful. If you want to make yourself influential in your community, serve.
Suportado namin to, suportado namin yung idea na i-push sa Filipino mentality that they are not just Filipino workers abroad, but they are winners. Salamat sa Philinvest.
It was a wonderful motivational experience for us all OFWs and those of us in the Philippine Foreign Service in support of the OFW.
At napakalaking tulong ang binigay ng Philinvest dito sa ating komunidad sa
Starting today, remind yourself you are no longer OFW, overseas Filipino workers. You are now
I think you're doing a good job because you're planting seeds. These are the seeds that grows in the heart para magbago yung mga Pilipino and matap nila yung kanilang true potential in life.
Napakaganda na inyong naumpisahan na ito kasi talagang palagay ko marami itong matutulungan ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Spanya. No?
Ano man yung pangarap na meron ang bawat Pilipino naririto, huwag kakalimutan na meron Diyos na dapat lagi niyang kasama.
Babalik pa rin tayo sa Pilipinas kung saan tayo nagmula.
This is about really changing the person within. So every OFW, if you listen to this, I promise this will really change your life.
Kahit tamis ng pinaghirapan, tagumpay ay pinagsikapan.
I am so proud. I am a Filipino.
You know, I came here to Europe thinking that I will inspire you. Little did I know that my wife and I came here to Europe to be inspired by you.